LumaFusion has been making waves as a top choice for mobile video editing, but does it really live up to the hype? Today, we're diving into the features, usability, and whether it's worth your time and money. LumaFusion is a powerful mobile video editing app designed primarily for iOS devices, catering to both amateurs and professionals. Right off the bat, the user interface feels intuitive, with a timeline that allows for multi-track editing, something you'd typically expect from desktop software. It supports a wide range of formats and resolutions, which is a huge plus for content creators who need flexibility. What stands out is the app's ability to handle complex edits, including multiple video and audio tracks, effects, and transitions. The built-in color correction tools and support for 4K video are impressive, especially for a mobile app. However, while the core functionality is robust, some users might find the learning curve a bit steep if they're new to video editing. There's also a lack of some advanced features found in desktop counterparts, which might leave power users wanting more. Overall, LumaFusion is designed for serious editors on the go, but it may not be the best fit for casual users. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, LumaFusion's multi-track editing capabilities and high-quality output are fantastic for those looking to create professional-grade content. The intuitive interface and range of effects make it accessible for newcomers as well. However, there are some drawbacks. The price point may feel steep for casual users, especially if they're just looking to edit simple videos. Additionally, while the app is powerful, some users have noted that it can be a bit resource intensive, which might lead to lag on older devices. Transparency around updates and support can also be a concern. Some users report feeling left in the dark when issues arise. So, while LumaFusion shines in many areas, it may not suit everyone's needs. In conclusion, LumaFusion is an excellent choice for serious mobile video editors looking for a feature-rich experience. If you're a casual user or just starting out, you might want to explore simpler options first. Overall, it's worth trying out if you need a powerful editing tool in your pocket, but be prepared for a bit of a learning curve.